Today we also, as social development, reality came where mothers, 22-year-old, the other one was 38, the other one was 55, the other one was 49, who have never owned an ID.
Umntana makanaso certificate ngoba imina engenayo ID.
In a normal day, we do charge the mother with child neglect for not having the relevant documents that denies the child the access to the relevant documents that the child needs. But today we got an opportunity to speak to women and what made this day so difficult was that it was the first day where so many women did not have IDs and that they are staying and are South Africans. So it's another area that comes back to social development where we need to continue to educate South Africans, especially women.